No cash, no cash. Money dey your account.
Don't mind me. I was just joking.
So, I came out here personally today because I have an amazing news to share with you, and I'm really excited about this. So, I'll be offering a free class on how to make money online with affiliate Sorry about that. So, I'll be showing you a step. Sorry about the interruption. So a step-by-step process will be taken, right, on this free class as to how to earn money online as an affiliate marketer. The date for this free class is the 4th of April, which is on Tuesday. So click the link to join the wait list for this training. Get your internet ready, get your phones ready. You're about to make money. So what do you think?
Sweet money.